let's get right into it. What exactly is Mureka? No longer do you have to sit endless weeks trying to compose. Mureka is an AI-powered music generator designed to make composing music easy and accessible for everyone. Even tone-deaf Mike is making music now, easily on Mureka. Let's show you. It doesn't get easier than this. Mureka's got you covered. It's like having a whole studio's worth of instruments and production tools right at your fingertips. Think of it like this. Mureka is your creative partner in crime. You don't even need the lyrics, just enter a prompt UI and your song is being created. Mureka handles the technical stuff, transforming that one little prompt into actual music. It's all about breaking down those barriers to entry that often hold people back from exploring their musical potential. No more struggling with complicated software or feeling intimidated by the creative process. Mureka simplifies everything, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, the music itself. Now let's talk about the good stuff. What makes Mureka stand out? First up, the genre library is insane. We're talking everything from pop, rock, and hip-hop to classical, electronic, and even some experimental stuff. Whatever sound you're going for, Mureka's got a template for that. But it's not just about pre-made templates. Mureka gives you the power to customize. I created a song with just one prompt, and I will add it at the end so you can see for yourself. But you want to tweak the tempo, adjust the key, even fine-tune individual instruments to craft a sound that's uniquely yours. You can definitely do that too. As you make changes, Mureka adapts, generating music on the fly, based on your preferences. Mureka makes exporting your music incredibly easy. Whether you need a high-quality WAV file for professional use or an MP3 for uploading to streaming platforms, Mureka has you covered. And speaking of streaming, Mureka lets you share your creations directly to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and SoundCloud, without ever leaving the app. No more messing around with complicated file formats or third-party upload tools. Mureka streamlines the entire process. And hey, if you're just looking to share a sneak peek with your friends or followers, you can export short clips or even create animated videos with your music, perfect for social media. Mureka even provides you with downloadable assets like album art and promotional materials, making it that much easier to get your music out there and build a following. Mureka isn't just a piece of software, it's a tool for empowerment and for many financial freedom. It gives anyone, regardless of their background or skill level, the ability to express themselves through music. That's a powerful thing, and for those who are already musically inclined, Mureka becomes this incredible force multiplier. It saves you time on tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on the creative side of things. It pushes you beyond your comfort zone, inspiring you to explore new sounds and experiment with different genres. Mureka is proof that technology can be a force for good in the creative world, breaking down barriers and opening up a world of possibilities. So, there you have it, guys. Mureka, the AI music generator that's changing the game, plus it's fun. Head over to Mureka's website or download the app. Ready to compose your next hit? Check the description for more information and invitation link.